What's poppin', YouTube? It's your boy Divinely Finesse, aka Lakener. You know, but you can call me Lake. The video. I'm about to run the Wally World real quick. I apologize about the audio. I am outside. We about to do a little store run real quick. Today's video is pretty much just gonna be over the plumbing system and how plumbing works in an RV. It's gonna be pretty simple, pretty fast. Well, I'm gonna make it quick as possible, but one of my tubes or one of my pipes out here actually has a hole in it, so I need to fix that. It ain't looking pretty, so we about to go ahead and do that. So please stay tuned. Please get prepared for anything because it can really get messy, because like I said, I'm messing with the plumbing, I'm messing with the sewage pipe. So please wear your face mask and your gloves. I don't even know, you know, let's get it though. Shit twirling. Shit poppin'. Let's get it, boy. Get it twirling, let's get it poppin'. Before I start off with what today's video is going to be about, I just want to say, like, thank you to all the people who showed me love and support. I really appreciate all of y'all. I really just, like, it really just motivated me to do more. It really just motivated me to keep going. So thank you. And to all the people who are out there, like, who are afraid to chase after their dreams, just remember, anything you can put your mind to, you can accomplish. So just stay focused, stay down, like, don't let nobody take you off your path. To say all of that, to make sure you can stay tuned and see more of my videos, make sure you like and subscribe and comment too, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully I got them comments fixed, you know. I know I owe y'all them 100. I know y'all got me them 100 views, so I know I owe y'all 20 shots. I'm working on that video now. I don't want to get too wild too quickly on here, so I got y'all that video coming shortly. Today's video is over the plumbing and how the plumbing works living in a mobile home or living in an RV or living in a camper. This is how mine works personally. There are actually two different types of like plumbing situation when it comes to living in an RV, and I'm just gonna give you guys the terminology real quick. City water hookup, and then you have the portable water system. So I'm actually on city water right now. So city water is just, you know, it's kind of what you'll think, like you hook up to the fresh water outside using a non-toxic water hose. With non-toxic water hose, they're really weatherproof and they don't freeze during the winter time. And then you also need a sewage pipe. So I just went to Walmart and got the kit, as I showed you in the earlier video. So this sewage pipe is pretty much what you need, and this is what actually has a hole in it outside, so this is what we'll be fixing soon. Portable water system pretty much is just like every RV or most mobile homes have tanks under the house. You fill up those tanks with fresh water. Once all the fresh water is used, you have to dump it in the sewage, and that's pretty much it. So it's portable. You don't need hookups. Simple as that. So this is the Revolutional RV sewer hose kit right here. This is it. This is it. You know what I'm saying? So we're only replacing one. It comes with two. It's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna do a close-up so you guys can really see the whole kit. Hey everybody, it's Lake here. We're in the laboratory, aka the studio, aka my room. Today we have Camco's Revolutional RV sewer hose kit, and this is the 20-foot kit, and feature pre-attached swivel lug fittings and bayonet fittings. They rotate a full 300 degrees for really easy connections. The kit obviously comes with two 10-foot RV sewer hoses. The elbow is actually what connects to the dump station or the sewer drain. I'm just doing this for fun like this, but it's really easy to lock on. They're really stretchy, they're really durable. We're gonna go ahead and go outside and replace this pipe. Period. Okay, I just want to let y'all know that I am that. Okay, my name is Finesse, and I am that. Okay, keep your close. So we are currently outside. So yeah, it has a hole in it, and a bunch of bugs and a bunch of crap. So just pray for me. Hope that I do not die in the making of this video. And then obviously this goes to like my black water. So I can also walk around and show you guys. You already know this is my outside. I think we need a key for this, guys. Yeah, we need a key. If y'all saw that first video, that quarantine haircut boy, that first video I posted, that is a quarantine haircut. That's why it's so rough. That is done by yours truly. That is done by Divinely Finesse. It don't got no finesse on it, but I was trying, you know what I'm saying? I was tired of looking like a coon. But anyway, now that the noise is past, this right here is pretty much the water hose that is hooked up to the city water that brings in the fresh water throughout the house. So that's the bathroom, the kitchen, everything. That's it. Boom. So it's also really important when you are plugging in to a water spigot that you actually turn on the water really slowly, because of the water pressure. It can burst pipes inside of the RV. Luckily that I have not had to experience that. So always turn on the water really slow when you attach the water hose to the water spigot. There's also some really cool things in here, like for dry camping and things of that nature. I have not used any of those yet. I'm going to in the near future. Yeah, so this is where the fresh water comes in. The water enters here and it exits from here. It's pretty explanatory. It's pretty simple. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to do anything, which I'm very grateful for, because I wouldn't really be feeling that. But yeah, so this is it. Let me bring the camera back up. Next, I'm about to go ahead and walk around and show you guys where where the actual sewage line is and where the actual sewage hookup is, and where the actual water spigot is, where I get my fresh water. So let's head that way. So this is my sewage pipe. The black is my sewage pipe, and the white is my water hose for my fresh water, for my city water, whatever. So yeah, so we about to get into this. I'm really just wasting time because I really don't want to do this, but let's get into it. Oh my goodness.
Have you guys seen this? This is like totally.
This side is what actually connects to the sewer line, and this side is actually what connects to the other side, which is 10 inches. So this is what makes it the 20. Today, I don't know if I ever formally apologized about the quality of the sound. I do apologize. I'm outside in the wilderness, kind of, sort of. Today, I'm not gonna bury this. I'm really happy because I thought I was gonna have to do a lot of digging. I couldn't recall how deep I had buried these pipes, but I'm really fortunate to where I could just spray it out, and I'm able to just hook it up for now because it's pretty nasty out here. It's a lot of disgusting animals, and creatures, and insects. So for the people who are disgusted by that, you should feel bad for me. But yeah. So right now, I'm actually about to connect these. And we should be good with plumbing. I should be able to use the toilet. I should be able to use the sink. I should be fully functional after this. So pray for me. I'm going in.
1 day later.
Alright guys, I'm going to start off by apologizing for the sound quality because my neighbor is cutting grass. It is day 2. I'm not really into burying the plumbing tube or the plumbing pipe. I really don't feel like doing that. I might just leave it out for now. I'm not really worried about it. This is how it's looking. So, I mean, yeah, it is right off the patio, and you gotta walk back here, but I'm not really in the mood for that right now because it's hot and bugs are out. So, I'm all done. It was a really simple fix. Once I, watered hose the dirt off of the plumbing tube, I simply just connected those two pieces together, and it's just a simple 360, and then they're connected. I'm really happy with it. I haven't been seeing any disgusting bugs out here or anything. It's been really chilled. I'm just happy that I got it fixed. If you guys have any other questions involving the plumbing, leave comments, DM me. My Instagram is Divinely Finesse. If you have any other questions or something I didn't go over, and I'll try to cover it in my next video. Definitely like and subscribe to this video. I appreciate all the love and support once again. And I'll see you guys next time. Signing out.